If your SuperBox is constantly buffering, you're definitely not alone. It's one of the most common issues people run into, but luckily most fixes are simple. The very first thing you should do is restart both your router and your SuperBox. Unplug them for about 2 minutes, then plug them back in. If you're using Wi-Fi, consider switching to a wired Ethernet connection because it's far more stable and usually eliminates buffering instantly. Next, you'll want to adjust the internet speed settings inside the SuperBox. There are 2 ways to do this. The basic way is through the VOD app. Open it, go to Settings, then Internet Speed, and select the middle option labeled Faster. It provides a better balance between stability and quality. If you want deeper controls, open the VOD app, go to the search bar, and type 123123. This unlocks a hidden menu where you can switch the streaming mode from fastest to faster, which often reduces buffering because fastest can overload the stream trying to pull too much data too quickly. Another helpful step is clearing the cache of the streaming apps you use. Go to Settings arrow, Apps arrow, choose the App arrow, Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that can cause performance slowdowns. Also, make sure the box isn't overheating. Keep it in an open, cool space. If it feels hot, give it a break by unplugging it for a few minutes. A couple of important warnings. Don't uninstall any of the pre-installed AIT apps. They cannot be reinstalled once removed. Also, avoid factory resets unless absolutely necessary. Only do it if every other fix fails. If your buffering continues even after all these steps, the issue might be on the server's side, especially during peak hours. Sometimes switching channels or waiting a short while fixes the problem. If nothing solves it, head to the official SuperBox website and open a support ticket. Try to include details like your internet speed, what apps are buffering, and whether the issue happens all the time or only during certain hours. Support can sometimes push updates or provide troubleshooting specific to your model. Keeping your apps updated and reducing Wi-Fi congestion from other devices can also make a noticeable difference in overall performance.